Hi, thanks for choosing Mo's Notes for your homework help needs. This video will talk about parabolas. Okay, a parabola is a curved line that faces upward or downward. The simplest parabola is y equals x squared. When you're drawing this parabola, you're going to start the origin. You can go up 1 over 1, up 1, left 1, and then you don't really need to memorize, but you're going to go, as you can see, higher, and still only one space. Even higher, still only one space, so you get this type of curve, where it gets steeper and steeper and steeper. Okay? So, a couple things can change to make it a little more complicated than starting at the origin and going up that way. You can add a constant here, plus 6. What that's going to do is, we're still in a simpler part of this, it's just going to make the parabola move up 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And similarly, put a negative 6 in there, it will go down 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6. Okay. What if it's y equals negative x squared? Well, the answer is all the y values are going to become the opposite. So that means it's going to open in the opposite direction, but with the same values. So start the origin as usual, put in your spaces, and it's going to open down. Negative will make it open down, positive will make it open up. Okay. If it's 2x squared, if you put a number here, it's going to be steeper, twice as steep. So here you put these, you don't need to memorize, but those are the particular points. 1, 2, rather than 1, 1. So now that's a steeper parabola than we had before because of the 2. Okay. Here's a very complicated one, what you're going to do first, and if you haven't seen the video on factoring, you have to watch that before you do this. This factored out is x plus 3x minus 1, because 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 plus negative 1 is 2. So that means you have your intercepts. Those are 2 points you need. The other point you're going to need is the bottom of this parabola, which is the vertex. And the equation for that is negative b over 2a will give you the x value of the vertex. This is a, b, c. Just like with the quadratic formula. Here's b. Here's 2a. Opposite of b, 2a. Negative 2 over 2 equals negative 1. Okay. If we go ahead and plug that in, negative 1 squared is 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So it's 1 minus 2 minus 3 is negative 4. So there's your point. Negative 1, negative 4. And then these 2 points, there's negative. X is negative 3 here. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 1. And there's your parabola. So your 3 points are the vertex and the 2 intercepts.